Hey there guys, I'm Leanna, your insurance exam teacher. I'm answering questions about the life and health insurance exam. So this was a two-part comment that Star Goddess left. So Star Goddess, thank you so much for reaching out for help. And if you need help or have questions about the life and health insurance exam, go ahead and drop them in the comments or send me a DM and I will get back to you. And if you would like tutoring to help you pass the life and health insurance exam, go ahead and send me a message or set up a chat for us in the profile, all right? So she's letting me know she was feeling overwhelmed. She's feeling like there's a lot of information and she just doesn't know really where to start studying or how to structure her study time, which is important, guys. So I've said it before, there's no real hacks for the life and health insurance exam. There's nothing that you can take a shortcut and you're like done and you're good. Don't try to do that, all right? You need to study. So guys, if you feel like this, if you feel like, oh my God, there's so much information, you feel overwhelmed and whatnot, I have an ebook in my profile. I will go ahead and show y'all in a minute how to find it, but it is the third or the fourth link in my profile right now. And it is $10 and you can go ahead and download that, and it's going to give you tips and testing tips and study strategies, actual study strategies you can implement that is going to help you, number one, retain the information that you need to pass the life and health insurance exam quickly and efficiently. It's going to help you structure your study time so you're not spinning your wheels, wasting your time and studying something you may already know or don't need to be focusing on as much. So go ahead and check out that ebook. I've got it linked. Like I said, it's the third or the fourth link on my profile. But guys, it's 10 study tips that are going to help you pass the life and health insurance exam on your first try. And really, these study tips are not specific to life and health. I was a teacher for 11 years. I've seen these work for the AP exam when I taught seniors. I've seen these tips work for the PPR exams for teachers. I myself had to take 4 of those exams, plus the life and health exam, plus the Medicare eventually as well. So guys, I know that these strategies work because I've used them myself, and over the years I've implemented them and helped many of my students pass the AP exams, the SATs, PSATs. I've given them to other friends who've gone and become realtors and whatnot. And these study strategies and these testing tips really work. And I'm not gonna give you fluff. I'm not giving you extras and telling you why they're good. I just need you to trust me. The study strategies in that book are good. They're going to help you actually pass your test and retain the information, which is the goal that I need you all to work towards. All right, so if you're interested in that ebook, again, it's in the link in my profile. Go to the third or that fourth link. I'm going to show you all exactly where it is here in a second. So go ahead and check that out. And if you want to tutor with me for the life and health insurance exam, I would love to help you out. And if you want to get information on that, follow, DM me, or set up a chat. Again, in my profile, there is a 15-minute chat option where we can sit down and we'll see how I can help you pass the test. All right, guys, here's how you find that information. You're going to go to my link, and when this loads up, you will see that it is 1, 2, 3. The third link on here is where you can go and purchase the ebook with the testing and study strategies. You're going to go down here to I want this and proceed.